In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate the process of transferring data from Gmail to Google Sheets using Zapier. This approach will save you time and streamline your workflow, making it easier to manage information efficiently. To begin, you'll need to have accounts set up for Gmail, Google Sheets, and Zapier. If you don't have them already, take a moment to get signed up and log into all three platforms before diving in. Once you're ready, start by logging into your Zapier account. Here, we're going to create a new Zap. In case you're new to Zapier, a Zap is essentially an automated workflow that connects your apps and services. In this case, our trigger app will be Gmail, and our action app will be Google Sheets. Next, in your Zapier dashboard, you'll find an option to make a new Zap. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to choose a trigger app. Type in Gmail and select it from the list. After choosing Gmail, decide on the specific trigger event. For this example, we will select New Email. That's going to prompt Zapier to act every time a new email hits your inbox. Ensure you connect your Gmail account so Zapier can access it. You will be guided through this process. Just follow the on-screen instructions, which usually involve signing into your Gmail account and allowing permissions. After setting up your Gmail trigger, proceed to set the filter options based on how specific you want the emails to be. You might only want to capture emails from a certain sender or those with a specific subject line. These options will help refine your automation process. The more specific you are, the more streamlined your final results will be. If you need all emails, you can skip this refinement. Once the trigger is fully configured, it's time to set up your action app, which, in this scenario, is Google Sheets. Select Google Sheets, and for the action event, choose Create Spreadsheet Row. By doing so, Zapier will automatically add an email to a new row in your specified Google Sheet every time a new email comes in. You'll be asked to connect to your Google account again, similar to the Gmail setup. Grant the necessary permissions to allow Zapier to add data to your spreadsheets. Now that you've connected Google Sheets, pick the spreadsheet and worksheet where you want the data to be stored. You'll then map the data from Gmail to the columns in your sheet. It's important to ensure the column names in your spreadsheet match the data you wish to capture. For example, if you're capturing the subject and the body of the email, your columns in the spreadsheet might be labeled Subject and Email Body. After setting all this up, it's crucial to test your Zap to ensure everything is working as expected. Zapier provides a test feature for exactly this purpose. Run a test to see if a row is correctly added to your Google Sheet. If the test is successful, you can go ahead and turn on your Zap. And there you have it, a fully automated process to transfer data from Gmail to Google Sheets using Zapier. This setup can revolutionize how you handle incoming information, making it far easier to organize and reference emails without the need for manual input. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps streamline your workflow.